Jorge Jalapeno here, coming to you live in Cedar Hill. We're taking out these trees. We're about to build a fence, but let me walk you through the project. Right here, we're taking this tree out here. We're taking all those trees over there out. We're taking those two trees out. We're building an 8-foot estacado fence here. And if you want to see what the estacado is, go to our website, onpointdfw.com. It's a beautiful fence. It's a horizontal cedar fence. We're gonna start here, and it's gonna go all the way over here. We're taking this tree out, taking all those trees out over there. Took out this old fence here. We're gonna take out that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree. Those two trees over there. And the fence is gonna go all the way around this way. We're gonna custom build a gate over here. We're taking this out, up around in that. We're gonna custom build a gate over here. We're gonna close that off there, and we're gonna weld that. It's gonna be awesome. And let me know if you need a quote for a fence, sprinklers or sod, tree removal. Let me know. Check out our new website, onpointdfw.com. We just published it in December. Check it out. Let me know what you think. We are coming up with that too. So hope to see you soon. This is Jorge Jalapeno signing out, and I'll see you soon.